You look nervous. Okay, what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley? You want to have a seat out here in the throne, Ashley?
Yeah.
Do you want a picture or something?
We're gonna do our Jesus. You're here at the Mouse Vibes, and we're at the largest Halloween and horror convention in the world, Midsummer Scream!
Oh, yeah.
Over 50,000 people attended this year's event.
Why is that?
Because that set an all-time record.
New high score!
Truly making this the biggest Halloween party ever.
Right, excellent promo, Wayne.
Yes, artistic yet accessible to a wide audience.
Welcome back to another Mouse Vibes video. We are so excited to be here at Midsummer Scream. Obviously, you guys can tell it is bigger and better than ever. There's more vendors, there are more big activations. Everybody's here.
It's the witch! The one and only, darling.
Yes! And we are ready to get our spooky on. Why did you make me do that? I was
Oh my gosh. What? I can't wait either. See, everyone knows it. Subscribe.
Hey, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Right.
Whoa, no, I'm alright.
Take a bite. No, a real bite. Hey, don't touch my bird.
Sorry.
Normally the Mouse Vibes would start with some shopping, but today we're gonna get right into the bangers and we're gonna go right into the Hall of Shadows and just get it over with because I'm scared.
So the Hall of Shadows is a preview haunt of all the haunts here in Southern California. Every single year, this is the #1 thing you have to check out if you come to Midsummer Scream. I'll just let you guys know right now, Santa Ana Haunts is by far the spookiest every year. I cannot wait to see what they do with the Lionsgate production.
I hate the three-headed guy. I hate him so much. Something really dope about this year's Midsummer Scream is inside the Hall of Shadows, Lionsgate Films has their own maze filled with all of the best villains from all their horror movies. I'm nervous, it's gonna be sick. This entrance is dope.
By the way, this line, no one's here.
I know we're here as media, but if you guys wanna come enjoy Midsummer Scream, invest in the gold bat. It is worth it because you get to jump the line. It's like an express pass or a fright lane essentially, but it's worth it.
Just delightful. It is, right?
Time is money, boo. You wanna get up there and get it cracking.
This tribute embodies your darkest terror. Each of the horror's judgment are your life choices. Can you endure them?
Oh God. I can't see! I can't see! Damn it! I can't see!
I can help.
There's more!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
No, we're good, no, we're good. Oh, shoot. It's still going.
I hate when you cannot see. There was one room that I couldn't see. I made Nick go in front and he was like,
We're making a video.
I'm like, I don't care. Get in front of me. That was good. I want to put it on wax right now. That's the best mini haunt we've done at any Midsummer Scream. That was good. What'd you think?
I soiled my pants. We need to go do a lap. And hopefully they have men's chonies in a size medium.
I also hate when we're the first ones. The guy's like, is it just you two? You two go. And I'm like, bro, let me go with the group for protection. That was great. A bazillion vibes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah!
Hey, Santa Ana Haunt might have gotten inspired by the Mouse Vibes because they have a twofer. They're sponsoring the little bar here that we loved last year and the haunt. Oh, everybody's asking. Our friends are here. They're asking us to go over. Let's go. Ah! God! What was the wall? What the heck was the wall ticker? What was that? That's cheating. That was cheating. There was a lot of hot ladies in that.
Hello, Miss Lady.
I love sexy females in haunts. Like more women, please, all the time. Girl power. Yes. So we're here with our friends, and they're like, you guys have to do the Drake Society. I believe this is a haunt out of the Inland Empire. Shout out to 909. Rancho Cucamonga.
It's themed after Scooby-Doo, which I can't wait. What does that mean?
I have no idea, but I know that the haunt community and all the horror fans have been dying for a Spooky Island Scooby-Doo situation. I don't know what we're walking into, but it's gonna be great.
Oh, we don't go near any place with spooky, haunted, forbidden, or creepy in the name.
Why do I have to look first?
Because you're awesome.
Have you found Scooby yet? No, we're looking for him. Can't find him. I've been watching the cameras, I can't find him either. I found this in the swamp outside.
I think that might be where Scooby's being held.
In the
Go
swamp.
check it out.
All right, thank you.
Be careful. Don't get stuck in the swamp.
Oh my god.
Love your ascot. Oh God.
Jeepers! Time to get groovy. There's
No way.
I can't see right there.
Frenchie! Watch out! Oh no! Look out behind!
Oh my god.
Go for it. You guys got it.
Where are you? Fred! We have to stop!
I'm done! It's done! That was fun. I'm glad I had a kid with me to be scared. That was really fun. That little room with like the lasers and you couldn't see, that was great. 5 out of 5 vibes.
I love that.
So fun. Wow, you can definitely tell, you guys, the budget stepped up a lot this year. Like everything is bigger and better. I keep saying that, but it's because of the truth. Like there's some money put in this. Wow. Oh look, Beetlejuice is doing a meet and greet.
5 minutes later.
It's a private meet and greet with Beetlejuice himself. Sick.
So lucky.
I know, I feel really cool right now. I'm gonna ask him with my little mic about, are you excited about the second movie?
What are you doing in my cemetery?
I'm sorry.
What do you want?
I
Is
was
this
sorry.
interview? I gotta call my agent.
No. I just wanted to ask you if you're excited about your second movie.
My documentary? Of course I'm
Yes.
excited about my documentary every time. How many times are you going to ask that? No,
Sorry,
go,
okay,
go
sorry.
see it. Don't
It's
ask me
basic.
questions about it, okay?
It's a
Yeah,
basic
right.
question.
No, I understand. That's fine. Are you going to go watch it?
Yes.
Good, I need your money.
How cool is that?
This is a really cool photo op. You can't always catch Beetlejuice at the parks solo, and that was like a nice private one. And it was like in his grave, which is like super special. It's like a whole setup.
And if you know Beetlejuice, if he clowns on you, that means he loves you.
Obviously, I was trying to bust out my microphone, but I got nervous. I bedazzled a microphone for today and forgot to use it, guys, so bam. It's our 3rd year here at Midsummer Scream, and we are gonna stick to tradition. The Bleach Cafe is one of our favorite vendors behind me. Every year, Nick and I grab a spooky shirt to wear during haunt season. I'm hoping for another Casper shirt or a Ghostbusters one, so let's go check it out.
You basically lived in that Casper shirt all of 2023.
I love Casper. I might need one actually to match my Goosebumps. Let's see. Come on, let's go. I've never seen this type of print for Scream.
Stu!
Dude, it has all of the characters and then it has like different quotes from the movie.
I love that.
I literally thought that I've seen every single Scream screen print shirt and I've been proven wrong.
My mom and dad are gonna be so mad.
Okay, so we found one Goosebumps shirt. It's really soft.
It's one of my favorite covers too, obviously.
It's really awesome. I think I might grab this one and then the Scream one, but we're not done shopping yet, but I just had to show you guys real quick because I got excited.
First thing out of the gate, Goosebumps Bleach Cafe collabo.
Yes, my first ever shirt from them was Goosebumps Night of the Living Dummy that I got 3 years ago.
Well, that didn't take too long. We've been here for like 15 minutes and Ashley's already spent like $50+. But that happens. The Bleach Cafe is one of our must-go-to shops. It's a small business. They do a great job of curating all the best t-shirts and designs. Go check them out.
I know, I had to get a Goosebumps shirt. That's what I had my mind set on. I needed to match my bag. It was awesome, but there's so much more shopping, vendors to check out, you guys, so let's go hit the show floor. There's so much smoke and special effects that the fire alarm has been going off for the past 15 minutes. So pardon my yelling, but we're about to meet the witches of Not Scary Farm. I'm so excited. They have such a dope activation this year and the photo's gonna be awesome. One of the best parts of Midsummer Scream is seeing how creative people are with their costumes.
Why are you dressed so scary?
It's literally like a horror fashion show everywhere you go.
It's Halloween.
The cosplays this year were on another level, and I, of course, loved all the scary baddies.
I'm Jill. I'm a cheerleader. I'm hot. I'm popular. And I'm pretty.
Yes, queen. Love it. Get it, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Love it.
Some people just can't handle Midsummer Scream, can they?
No, they can't. They just gotta get let out in a trash bag, I guess. He was okay, right?
They're dragging his ass out of here. Okay, with all the awesome costumes this year, which one was your favorite?
Okay, the 2 space girls that we just met and all of the drag, Night of the Living Drag. Yes, Miss Pacoima, get it, girl. Okay. They tripled the amount of drag queens this year and they're everywhere and they are fabulous. I am obsessed. There's so many great Michael Myers.
Aloha.
Aloha, Michael. And then also the last one is the one from Mars Attacks. That was awesome. I was like, what is this?
I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone in the haunt community that dressed up for today.
Then you drink 2%. Ha!
It's scorching. It's in the middle of July. It's hot as heck out. I'm sweating my face off to see so many Michael Myers and Ghostface lined up in the sun to get into this event this morning. It's kind of awesome.
Yeah, that's dedication.
Total dedication. Like, I don't have that. I'm still like Aloha Nick, but with like a little spooky vibe, you know what I mean? But that's as far as I get. That's really all he's got. People out there walking in full-on heels 2 miles in that line. You guys deserve a holiday.
We are here at the final day of Midsummer Scream, and I am so excited for today because we have the HHN panel to close out the entire 3-day event. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be talking to John Murdy about all things HHN. We're probably going to get some house announcements, some Scare Zone announcements, some character announcements. I'm so excited. We had a few hours to kill, so of course we went back to the vendor floor because we missed a few of our shopping spots yesterday since it was so chaotic. This might be one of the sickest prints I have ever seen. House on Haunted Hill is one of my favorite originals and remakes. Shout out Peter Gallagher, who's in it, who I love. And this print is so sick. Look at this. I want it, but we don't have wall space. First world problem. Supporting small businesses and artists is a huge part of this convention, and you know we love to shop. There's everything from apparel to decorations. Honestly, anything you can think of, they have here, but make it Halloween. It's another tradition that we stop at Horror Lashes and I re-up for the year. These lashes last over 40 wears with proper care. Obviously, I had to get my Boogeyman lashes. Those are the ones I'm wearing right now. They switched up the packaging and I love that. It's like really creative. It's not the same packaging every single time. And then the owner was actually wearing the stab lashes, and they looked really good, so I got those.
I would have done the exact same thing.
And then something I loved a few years ago when I got them was the Raise Hell lashes. I love these. They carry me through haunt season and the entire year. I love supporting a small business, and they are hands down my favorite freaking lashes, and the fact that it's like beauty and horror, chef's kiss.
So one of the things we had to do is what?
Meet Sarah Marshall. We couldn't meet her yesterday. Please, can we get a photo? Can we get a photo?
Let's
do you think
do it.
she'll take a photo?
Awesome. I'm gonna get a photo real quick.
There she is.
It's the witch.
The one and only, darling.
Yes. Oh my God, thank you. I feel so emotional right now because while we are taking a photo with the iconic Sarah Marshall, the official witch,
The one and only, darling.
some of the Not Scary Farm scare actors came up to us and they were just saying that they watch our videos, and that means so much to me because I always get in my head during haunt season that I'm annoying because I get so scared, and they were like, no, we love it, because like they do such a good job at Not Scary Farm. It's like actually terrifying, and I'm like very hesitant before I go into each maze. And thank you guys for saying hi. We appreciate all that you do. You crush it, and without you, there is no haunt season. So you literally made our day.
Seriously.
I'm freaking out.
Can't get over that, and I can't wait to see you guys back in the fog.
One of my favorite horror icons, I don't even know if it's the fisherman, the hookman from I Know What You Did Last Summer. He's so good. I've actually never seen him at any convention ever, so I have to get a pin. We are here at Midsummer Scream at the most anticipated panel of the weekend, and that is the Halloween Horror Nights panel with John Murdy.
So this panel is obviously to show off the highlights for HHN Hollywood, and I expect to hear about all the original story ideas. I'm looking at Dead Exposure Death Valley, Monstros 2, and hopefully get a little details about what's going on with the Universal Monsters House, Eternal Bloodlines, which kind of sounds like a WWE pay-per-view, but I'm not complaining about it.
What are your predictions for the HHN panel in 30 minutes?
Wait, hold on, I'm swallowing a pill.
What are your predictions for the HHN panel in 30 minutes?
Terror Tram, and they're going to play a Slash song.
What are your predictions?
I want Texas Chainsaw 1974. Old school. Leatherface. Yes. The Sawyer family needs to return.
Woo!
Full effect.
Let's get it.
Murdy's going to come out like Robert Downey Jr. at San Diego Comic-Con and just go like this, and the whole place is going to erupt with Murdy, Murdy. That's what's going to happen.
1 hour later.
Chant all of your names. Just yell them all out.
We didn't waste any time getting into our first house announcement.
Ready for announcement right out of the gate here?
We were all stoked to hear that the Texas Chainsaw Massacre would be making its return to Halloween Horror Nights. This was in celebration of the 50-year anniversary, and this time around, they've switched it up with a multiverse approach, combining all 9 Texas Chainsaw Massacre movies into one house.
Promise me you don't go in there. Like, I'm gonna go in there.
We also found out that the Universal Monsters House Eternal Bloodlines would be an all-female cast, and for the first time ever, would take up home in Soundstage 12. This is the oldest soundstage on the Universal backlot, and we have a whole bunch of details going over this in our next Halloween Horror Night video. But honestly, this is our most anticipated house for 2024. We also got word about a scare zone coming to the Parisian Courtyard, and this would be wrapped up within Monstros 2, and this would be a luchador monster scare zone. Honestly, this looks terrifying. Luchadors and monsters?
Actually, I'm not even mad. It's amazing.
I had to step outside. I was all sweaty from waiting up there for a couple hours for that panel, but such exciting news coming for HHN Hollywood. We got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre announcement. We kind of got some teases on what's going on with the Universal Monsters and a slight tidbit of what's going to happen for a scare zone.
It was really exciting to be in the room. It really felt electric. I'm really pumped for this year's HHN, and this event was awesome. I will say, I feel like Midsummer Scream has outgrown this space. It was really, really packed. Hopefully they reel it in by next year, but we all just love Halloween, okay?
All right, and that's gonna wrap up our day and our weekend checking out the largest Halloween convention in the world, Midsummer Scream.
This event is the official kickoff to haunt season, and you know the Mouse Vibes are gonna be everywhere for Halloween. If you love spooky videos, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.